What's up, guys? This is Lil Illy. I'm sorry for what my hair looks like. See, I'm getting it done. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do a DIY friendship bracelet using yarn. So I hope that you guys leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel. It's called Lil Illy, and turn on those post notifications that you know when we do a new video. So let's go. I'm sorry for that. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So you have your string. You have your string. You can use any colored yarn. You can do this with string, yarn, any type of long thing you can use. Not sticks, but like a long thing. So first, you take your strings. You have your strings out. You take the first one. So since my first one's the turquoise one, you put that over the pink one, or over whatever color second. So then it should be crossed. Then you take the turquoise one, the turquoise string, and then you wrap it under both strings. Then you pull the turquoise through. You hold pink tight, not too tight. You take the turquoise string and you move it along. And then you just do that again. Here, I'm gonna do that again for y'all. You take this, cross it over the pink one, wrap it under, grab the string, pull it through, and hold pink tight, and pull and push. And there you go. There you shall have yourself a knot. I've already begun some, but there should be your knot right there. This is just for beginners, so it don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be really nice. I mean, if you've done this before, then you don't have to watch this video. But if you haven't done one, then you can watch this video if you want to. Also, if your parents are just saying do something constructive, then you can move on to this. You can just do this. Also, this can count as and as many strings as you want. Like, here, let me show you something. I don't know if y'all saw, but I know y'all didn't see, but guess what? This is what I've done: a rainbow string with knots. That was made just from knots. Made just with knots. Ain't that crazy? That's what you can do. That's what you can do with natural yarn. You can make this. Y'all can make this just by using yarn. We got this. If you want to make this, that takes a lot of practice. Also, I'm getting a shout out. Shout out to the Leopard Gang, because they have a crazy video, or he got a crazy video. So yeah, that is exactly how you make that. And if you want to do good, you can make a rainbow one like how I did. You can use any colors. You can make a rainbow. You can make if y'all know football, y'all can make their logos colors. But yeah, this is what you can do with natural yarn. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? You can make this with natural yarn. I don't know how much it is, so don't ask me any questions. I don't know how much it was. But also you need something. You need something to hold them. Like okay, you could use a pencil box. You could use anything heavy. Like you could put this under something. Like you could use a weight, and you can put your string under the weight, and that could be something good to hold. I'm just using a pencil box because that's all I could find, really. But yeah, this is crazy how you can just make friendship bracelets. Also, you can make like blankets and scarves and bracelets and necklaces just by using yarn. Well, you can use a blanket, but that would take like a lot of strings. Like you need like I don't know this many strings to make a whole blanket. That's crazy. So yeah, that's just the basic steps. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know when we do a new video. That's great. This is Little Italy. Sign off for now. Bye. Hold on.